everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine air filter on a 2010 to 2016 Chevy Equinox. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter in this 2014 Chevy Equinox LTZ. Procedures will be similar for a lot of Equinox models from 2010 to 2016, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. You'll find the air filter housing on the passenger side toward the front of the engine bay. The four corners of the lid are held down by 4 screws. Use an 8mm socket and wrench to loosen them. Remove them and set them aside. Lift the lid off the housing. Remove the old air filter. Clean any leaves or debris from the inside of the housing. Put the new filter in place, making sure it's properly seated. Set the lid back on the housing and tighten the screws with your 8mm socket and wrench. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.